coming. Okay, thank you for coming to Alan's Restaurant. Table for how many?
One person only, sir.
Okay, by the way, ma'am, do you have reservation?
None.
Okay, ma'am, so are you expecting someone later or just you alone?
Just me.
Okay, so smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please.
May I suggest a very nice table for you?
Yes, please.
Follow me. By the way, ma'am, is this table good for you?
Yes, please.
Take a seat.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, excuse me, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present the menu now?
Yes, please.
Call me if you're ready to order.
Okay, thank you. Waiter, please.
Yes, ma'am.
May I have tuna canapé for an appetizer?
Okay, ma'am.
And for salad, Waldorf salad, please.
Waldorf po.
Yes, please. And for my main course, steak, medium rare steak.
Okay, ma'am. By the way, how about your soup, ma'am? May I suggest this one? Actually, this is our best seller. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
can I have that, please?
Okay. So that is clam chowder.
Yes.
Okay. And that's for your dessert.
I'll have tiramisu cake, please.
For your beverage, ma'am. Back here. I think red iced tea is good for you.
Yes, please.
Do you want it to go
Yes.
bottomless?
Yes, please.
Okay, so that's red iced tea. Bottomless. Any other you want to add, ma'am?
No, please. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
So
you.
may I repeat your order? For your appetizer, you have tuna canapé. For your soup, you have clam chowder.
Yes.
For your salad, that is Waldorf salad. A very nice steak. Yes, for your main course. By the way, our steak has a peanuts on it. Is it okay with you?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. So tiramisu for your dessert and red iced tea for your beverage, that is bottomless.
Yes,
Did I
please.
mention it right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, willing to wait for 15 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Your food will be delivered in 15 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take your time.
No. Excuse me, ma'am. I complete the setup.
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. You're always welcome. Just a minute, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oops. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your complimentary foods.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy. Wala akong gagamitin ko din lang. Ma'am, the food is ready to serve. You want me to serve it right now?
Yes, please.
Just a minute, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, may I take this?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your red iced tea. Enjoy. By the way, ma'am, do you want me to put it in your lap?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your appetizer. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Lagay sa plato. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your clam chowder.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done?
Yes, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your wildlife salad. Enjoy. Check nyo may... Kasunod siya. Sama mo yung kutsilyo. Oh.
Kainin mo yung kuchilyo. Kainin mo yung kuchilyo.
Saan mo ba ako?
Diba?
Partid.
By the way, ma'am, are you done?
Yes.
How's the taste of the food? Do you love it?
Yes, it was great.
Thank you, ma'am. Gusto niyo ba makita ko sa inyo yung data? Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your main course. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Check nyo rin it's always on the right side of the
Kainin
face.
naman.
Excuse me, ma'am, are you done?
Yes, thank you.
Diretso mo. Excuse me, ma'am, I plan to table this. Thank you. Tiramisu. Ito na lang. So, huwag kayong masyadong matakot paggamit ng mga paulit-ulit na plate. Importante doon is alam mo kung ano yung sinuserve mo. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your dessert. Tiramisu. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Are you done, ma'am?
Yes, please.
I take this one. By the way, ma'am, care for a hot drinks that will complement your food.
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. So, as of today, we have Americano and espresso. So, I think Americano is the best after you eat this sweet tiramisu.
Yes, thank
So,
you.
yun. Sinilit eh. Yes. Kaya nga, okay. Ma'am, here is your Americano. Actually, your Americano will complement the food, especially the dessert that you have eaten. It's very sweet, so Americano will complement to that.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. So that's your coffee. Here's your sugar. And here's coffee. Enjoy, ma'am.
Bill, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Bill, please.
Just a minute. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's the bill. By the way, ma'am, I received 3,000 pesos. Wait for your change.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your change.
Thank you.
Sige, wait, last one na tumayo. Thank you for coming to Alan's Restaurant. Hope to see you again.
Thank you very much.
Okay.